Vaccines are one of the greatest achievements in modern medicine. They protect us from deadly diseases and have saved millions of lives globally. But how do vaccines work? Where did they come from? And why are they so crucial for public health? Let's dive deep into the history of vaccines, how they work, the different types, and the life-saving benefits they offer. A brief history of vaccines. The history of vaccines begins in the late 18th century. In 1796, British physician Edward Jenner made a breakthrough discovery. He noticed that milkmaids who had contracted cowpox seemed immune to smallpox, a deadly disease at the time. Using this observation, Jenner injected a young boy with material from cowpox blisters, protecting him from smallpox. This marked the birth of the first vaccine. Since Jenner's discovery, vaccines have evolved tremendously. In the 20th century, vaccines for diseases like polio, measles, mumps, and rubella were developed, drastically reducing outbreaks and saving countless lives. How vaccines work. But how do vaccines work? It all starts with our immune system, the body's defense against infections. When a virus or bacteria enters our body, the immune system recognizes it as foreign and creates antibodies to fight it off. Vaccines mimic this process. They introduce a harmless piece of a virus or bacteria, either weakened, inactivated, or a part of it, into the body. This triggers the immune system to produce antibodies without causing the disease. If the real virus ever attacks, the immune system is ready to fight it off. Types of vaccines. There are several types of vaccines, each designed to target specific pathogens and populations. Live attenuated vaccines. These use a weakened form of the germ, like the measles, mumps, and rubella (MMR) vaccine. They provide long-lasting immunity, but are not suitable for people with weakened immune systems. Inactivated vaccines. These use a killed version of the germ. Examples include the polio and flu vaccines. Multiple doses are often required to build immunity. Subunit, recombinant, polysaccharide, and conjugate vaccines. These vaccines use specific parts of the germ like proteins or sugars. The hepatitis B and HPV vaccines fall into this category. mRNA vaccines. A newer technology used in COVID-19 vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna. These vaccines teach our cells to make a protein that triggers an immune response. Viral vector vaccines. These use a modified version of a different virus to deliver instructions to our cells. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine is an example. Benefits of vaccines. Vaccines offer immense benefits, not just to individuals but to entire communities. Let's take a look at why they are so important. Disease prevention. Vaccines protect individuals from life-threatening illnesses such as measles, polio, and influenza. Herd immunity. When a large portion of the population is vaccinated, it prevents the spread of contagious diseases, protecting those who cannot be vaccinated, like newborns and people with compromised immune systems. Eradication of diseases. Smallpox was completely eradicated in 1980, thanks to global vaccination efforts. Polio is now on the verge of eradication. Cost-effectiveness. Vaccines save billions of dollars in healthcare costs by preventing diseases that would otherwise require expensive treatment and hospitalization. Myths versus facts. Despite the overwhelming evidence, misinformation about vaccines still exists. Let's address some common myths. Myth: vaccines cause autism. Fact: multiple studies have shown no link between vaccines and autism. Myth: vaccines overload the immune system. Fact: the immune system can handle thousands of microbes daily. Vaccines only introduce a small amount of antigens. Myth: natural immunity is better than vaccine-acquired immunity. Fact: while natural immunity can offer protection, it comes with the risk of severe disease, complications, or even death. Vaccines provide immunity without the risks. The future of vaccines. The future of vaccines is bright. With new technologies like mRNA and personalized vaccines on the horizon, we are closer to preventing and even curing more diseases than ever before. Vaccines have come a long way since Edward Jenner's first smallpox vaccine, and they continue to be a powerful tool in safeguarding public health. They protect individuals, save lives, and ensure healthier futures for all. So, the next time you roll up your sleeve for a vaccine, remember, You're not just protecting yourself. You're contributing to the health and safety of your entire community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about the importance of vaccines. Stay healthy. Stay safe.